Hi folks, Tom Baird here, Toledocpas.com with another edition of Your Taxes, Your Accounting, Your Business. Today I'd like to talk to you about entity selection. Entity selection is basically how your business appears both legally and normally to the public and to the IRS, okay? So in essence, you can have three different entities. In Ohio, there's actually four, but LLCs and LTDs are pretty much the same thing, okay? So you can have a partnership, which can be an LTD or an LLC. You can have a corporation, or you can be a sole proprietor. Those are your three choices, okay? Each one has its own pluses and minuses. Let's start with the easy one. The sole proprietor is the easiest to form because you really have to do nothing and it costs you nothing. However, you have no protection from any of the liabilities of the business, whether they are for unpaid vendor bills or some type of an insurable loss. So as an LLC or as a sole proprietorship, it's easy to set up, but it also is easy to get to your personal assets. The second form is that partnership slash LLC slash limited liability slash LTD. And all of those pretty much function the same. They give you that same protection from both creditors as well as insurable losses that you want because you have personal assets that you want to keep separate from the business, okay? And the third version or the third type of entity is a corporation. Now the corporation is the oldest and most well-known form of business formation, but it also is probably the most expensive to form, okay? So a corporation usually is done by a attorney, as is an LLC, and you need to make sure that it's done correctly. So by all means, make sure when you set that up or when you get it set up, you get your papers, you get your partnership agreements, you get your minutes to set up the company, et cetera, et cetera. Toledocpas.com can help you with that entity selection as well as selections you might make after the fact in terms of how you're going to be taxed and what that tax impact will be on you personally as well as your business. So make sure when you talk to your CPA and you talk to your attorney that you understand all of the different entities that are out there, as well as what their impact will be on you from a tax standpoint. If you're not sure or not clear, call them back up, ask them again. We have an extensive explanation on our website, www.toledocpas.com, so feel free to go there or to give us a call. Our contact information is available online as well. Be happy to help you set one up or find out exactly what you need and make sure that you end up with a professional who can help you do that. Once again, I'm Tom Baird. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next time with Your Taxes, Your Accounting, Your Business.